Good morning, David Stewart from Straight Talk Wealth Management. My Monday musings for the 21st of June 2021. I had an interesting conversation with a client last week about why there wasn't a direct correlation between the movements of the marketplace and the portfolios that we have as investment in. The answer was in two parts. As I'm sure you know, the mix of the various indexes held in each of the portfolios is different, so that each portfolio matches a particular risk profile. As an example, our conservative portfolio has no investments in emerging markets and a high exposure to fixed interest, whereas our aggressive portfolio has a significant exposure to emerging markets and none to fixed interest. So a movement in either of these will impact the portfolios differently. If you'd like to discuss this with me, please do get in touch. You can telephone me in the office or email me directly at david@straighttalkfinancial.co.uk. The main reason for my writing the musings each week is to show a trend. I watch the trends, and although I do not make hasty decisions, by keeping an eye on things, I am able to position our portfolios more effectively. You will recall that I moved out of property funds in time to avoid you being trapped in these funds when the retail market started to have issues, which then impacted on the companies that run facilities such as shopping malls. In my musings of the 7th of June, I talked about how wage inflation would feed into the main inflation figures. Clearly, wages are not the only factor in play, but taken together with the increase in things such as the material and fuel costs for industry, which has led to a factory door price increase of some 4.6%, inflation is certainly with us. It is not just here, but also in the USA, that the spectre of inflation moving ahead is making the Fed make noises about increasing interest rates. As a result of the concerns about inflation, global equity markets had a poor week, with, for example, the FTSE being down by some 1.63% on the week. So those are my musings for this week. If you'd like to see how the markets have performed over the last week and year to date, please go to our website at Straight Talk Financial. I look forward to speaking to you next week. This is David Stewart from Straight Talk Wealth Management saying goodbye. Thanks for your time.